Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing of a diamond painting that one of the ladies at work gave me. She was planning on doing it, but she's saying the apartment that she lives in now is way too small. She doesn't feel she has the space. I'm not going to talk her out of giving me a free diamond painting. So yeah, let's have a look, see what we got. I have no idea where she got this from. Oh wow, this kitty is beautiful. Just look at that kitty cat. Okay, so we've got some drawers there. Right, that's the box. It's not too bad. We can work with that. So what is this? A 50 by 70? Yikes. Okay. It's a decent sized diamond painting. I don't think she's actually taken any of this out at all, to be honest. No. Okay, so let's flip this over and get this straightened out. Well, this would keep me busy for a minute, I think. I will have to ask her because I didn't think that it was this big, but I'll go back to her and ask her if she doesn't want any funds in return for it, because this is a pretty big size. We do have some bubbling going on, but I think we can deal with that as we go. At least we got one side of it flattened out. Ugh. That's the only problem with big ones. Right. Oh. See. That one lifted up the glue. Just stuck the paper in the fan. Gave myself a heart attack. Okay, and we're not sticking it back right, but it's okay. It's gonna go into my diamond painting storage. This is gonna be keep me busy for a while. It's quite a dark painting by the looks of it. Okay, right. So it does need some flattening out. I might have to give it a bit of a iron. What's happening here in the middle? That doesn't feel right. Let's go back and fix that up. Any problem? Okay, that feels a bit better. Let's just do this side again. Stunning picture. The drill field is quite good as well. Very clear. Don't think I'll have any problem even without a light pad. It's got some nice color blocking as well. Oh, not so kitty. Who doesn't like a kitty diamond painting? Right. Okay. So we have just your standard drill kit. Right, we'll put that aside, and then we've got 2 bags of drills. Right, so I'm just going to pause you guys here, just have a quick run through the drills, make sure everything is here. I see that they have checked it off. Doesn't say who the company is, which is a real shame. And then I'll get back to you guys. See you in a second. Right, so all the drills are here. The biggest amount is 83 939s and 51 310s. I'm quite surprised that they have the 310s in the little baggies like this. So I will definitely ask you what company it is from, because that's actually quite interesting. But just to bring it back up so you guys can have a look see at the cutie. there we go. So we've got a 50 by 70. I should measure it out. Oh, let's just get this out the way. Let's do a quick measurement. Right. Okay. Yeah, so it's about 69.5 by just over 50. So true to size. Right, so there we go, guys. I'll try and get some more information regarding the diamond painting, and I'll put that in the description if I get the information. Thank you very much for checking in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.